Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking bunk beds. In this video I want to show you what we purchased from Wayfair. Let's take a look. Alright, the bunk bed has arrived and we are going to start putting it together. So it comes in two boxes like that. First thing you want to do, obviously, open it up and check the condition of all the pieces. We got a white bunk bed, so we are going to inspect all the pieces and make sure that there are no gashes or wounds, because, for example, there are portions of the actual boxes that look like they've taken an impact. So that's step number one. Just make sure the bed is in good condition before moving forward. Making progress. I've got everything out of the box. Most important thing is the actual instruction manual and the hardware. I inspected every single part. Again, we bought white, and that is step number one. Just make sure all of your parts are not damaged, including the slats. During the inspection, I only found one board. Board number D, or letter D, has this wound or gash in it right here. I'm not going to fuss much about that. What I might do is just go get some white paint and paint that little hole. It looks like something gouged it pretty good during the shipping process. But again, that's the only thing out of the entire bed. And there are a lot of parts. So from here, I'm just going to follow the instructions, build it, and I will show you the end result. One thing I do want to point out, instruction manual, all the parts, everything is numbered 1 through 11, 11 being the Allen key down there. So just make sure everything is here. You will need all of the hardware. And it's got the number, the name, what the actual hardware looks like, and how many quantity-wise each number has. Alright YouTubers, the end product is finished. And as you can see, the bunk bed and the ladder, got all the bed sheets on, the mattresses, etc., and looks really good. Got a little bit of decorations in, and we still have a lot of room left over in the actual bedroom. And one of the coolest features about this bed, that ladder, as you can see how it's positioned. In the event that you took this bed and shifted it 180 degrees, in the event that you had a solid wall here, we have a closet, so that won't work for us. However, if you have a solid wall, turn this bed 180 degrees, your ladder can be on the opposite side, which is really neat. And it fits perfect from our window frame back to the wall. We're very satisfied. Good firm ladder. And we've got the beach theme going, the seahorses. The color is sea glass. And we really like this. And I can tell you with 100% confidence, our kids are going to love this. Our oldest son said once this is built, he gets to sleep in the sky. So he is super excited. He has not seen the end product. He will see it here shortly. And again, I'm excited to see the look on their face. We purchased the mattresses from our local Costco, $200, and they are memory foam, very nice mattresses. And we were just very impressed. Again, throughout the entire process, we only found that one nick, and it's on the back side, so you cannot actually see it. An additional thought, we could actually go out and buy a second bunk bed, put it here. The ladder will be just on the front side here. So as you walk into this opening space in between the bunk beds, you just gotta watch out for the ladder that will be right here, and you gotta watch out for this ladder right here. However, you can turn a small bedroom into a bedroom with 4 beds, which is kind of cool. And we really like this white. We really like the design of the headboard and footboard as well. So with that said, again, this is the end product. We really like it. We're very impressed. And what we'll do now is we will take the bed apart and we will show you what the actual bunk bed set looks like apart and with a nice little nightstand. Now with the actual bunk bed separated, this is what it looks like here. And we really like it. The top bunk is on the right hand side with these side rails. Now it just looks like a normal 2-bed bedroom. We purchased a little nightstand, put a sound machine and a salt lamp on top. One thing I want to point out, notice the height from this portion of the board to the top. That hole is where the actual rods came out. Those rods secure the top bunk in place on all 4 of those. However, you'll notice the height here is different from the height here, and that is designed for that extra clearance and extra height when referencing the bottom bunk. However, notice how it doesn't look the same, so it kind of looks a little tacky. You've got the 2 higher portions on the bottom bunk bed and then the lower portions on the top bunk. But one of the really cool features about this bed is you can take this footboard, pull it off, take the headboard up there, remove that, take that headboard, install it down here, take this board and install it up there. So at that point you have both matching headboards with that extended portion of the board there up at the top, and you will have matching footboards down here, which is a very cool design. Then it will not look as tacky as it does now. And we have also added an additional decoration on that wall once we took that top bunk off. And as far as the ladder, we have stored that way up top in there. So a convenient place, well out of reach from kids, and we really like this. So you've got a couple options. You can bunk it or you can turn it into a 2-bed layout side by side as shown here. And as far as the rods here, the instructions, the number 7 screws which secure the actual ladder into that portion of the top bunk, which is right here. I've got all that as well as the tool in a bag so I never lose it, and I will store this in a safe location there. And if you're curious and interested in the paint color, we purchased the paint from Home Depot, the Behr brand, and it is called Sea Glass. Really brightened up the actual room and really tied the beach theme in place. As you can see, we've got seahorses on the bedding. That's it, YouTubers. Hope you liked the video. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Hey, thanks again for watching.